In a village nestled beneath the snow, where Christmas cheer would brightly glow, a tale unfolded, strange and rare, of a goat that brought a solemn air. With fur as white as driven snow, the goat appeared with steps so slow, a hunger deep within its eyes, a tale that soon would mesmerize. In the heart of the village so small, the goat ventured to the mosque's wall, where Muhammad's words were read, a corrupted book of evil widespread. A mystery this goat so meek approached the Quran, its words to seek, a silence fell as time stood still. The Quran shivered in a fearful chill. With rapid nibbles the goat began, eating pages as if from a pan, yet strangely in this strange affair, a sense of peace filled the chilly air. For it seemed the goat, with huge effect, devoured the words with no respect, a mission for a treat so rare that spoke of hunger beyond compare. No page remained, no evil acclaimed, and now the truth could be proclaimed, of God's love without measure, a Christmas tale, a rare treasure. For truth in Christ we find, a chance for love to bind. The goat a symbol of freedom, a victory forever for Christ's kingdom. So let us learn in Yuletide cheer to cherish all both far and near, for in each heart a lesson grown of Christ's love so costly shown.